come dance with me. The dance that we're going to do is called Southern Ladies. So you're going to start off walking 4 steps to your right. Then you're going to do the same thing, 4 steps on your left. Okay? So you can do a grapevine, which is 1 behind, together, and tap. 2 behind, together, and tap. I'll do it on this side. This is a grapevine. 1 behind, together, and tap. 2 behind, together, and tap. 1 behind, together, and tap. 2 behind, together, and tap. And so the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that's a grapevine, or you can do a vine. A vine is side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. It's side to side. Step 1, together. Step out, together. 1, together, out, together. That's a vine. So let's do the dance now. Or you can just walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever's your flavor. All right, from the top. 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Next step, you're going to slide back. Slide back right, slide back left. Slide up right, slide up left. So the count is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that slide. Slide back right, back left. Up right, up left. Slide back, back, up, up. You're alternating right, left. Slide back, back, up, up. So let's put it all together from that point. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide back, back, up, up. Now the next step, we're going to twist. You're twisting to your left. Twist, 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 tap, tap. And then you're going to make a fast left turn and start the dance over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide back, back, slide up, up, and twist. Go 1, 2, 3, with a tap, tap. Now we turn it again to the left. This is a 4-wall dance also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide back, back, up, up, and dip, dip, dip with a tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide back, back, up, up, and dip, dip, dip with a tap, tap. So let's show you those that dip. So you take your right foot, you move up, you're going to twist to your left and bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost like you're doing a twist. 1, I guess it would be the twist. 2, 3, 4. Twist. 1, 2, 3, tap, tap. and you start over. Let's put the music with it. Try it along with me. This is Southern Ladies.
It is. It's that two-step thing, big baby. Southern ladies. Now check this out, y'all. Well, if you in the club, get ready to come on out on the dance floor.
And get fancy, we can use our shades.
Come on, man, get out on the sidewalk. If you're at home listening to the radio, you get some greens and some cheese. Y'all cut them pots out and get ready to
5, 6, 7, 8. 2 steps to the right.
2 steps to the left. Come on.
3, 4.
2 steps to the right.
2, 3, 4,
2 steps to the
2,
left. Come on.
3, 4. Slide it back and back and up and up and dip,
Just
dip,
just
dip,
repeat
tap,
y'all.
tap. 2s to the right, 2s to the left, 2s to the right, 2s to the left.
Come on.
Now you take it to the back,
And you
move it to the front. Dip,
now dip. Just dip. Just dip.
tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide back, back, slide up, dip, dip, dip. With a tap, tap. Start over from the top.
She's got class, she's got style, a real good heart, and a big pretty
Slide back.
Southern ladies, will make you feel
And dip, dip,
so good,
dip,
so good.
tap, tap.
Southern
Right,
ladies,
tap,
do it like a
right,
lady should.
tap.
Yes, they do.
Move back,
Her favorite
back,
words are thank you with a smile.
twist,
She's always
twist,
her light,
twist,
a mother to every
tap,
child.
tap. Start over from the top.
To everyone,
Back,
please come along the way.
over,
You're always here telling folks.
over, slide back.
Talking about the Southern
Out,
ladies.
7 ladies.
Talking about the Southern ladies. Talking about the Southern ladies. Talking about the Southern
With a
ladies.
tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2,
She's got a style,
3,
real good heart, and a
4.
pretty
Slide back. Let's go. Back right,
face.
back left, up right, up left. And dip, dip,
So good,
dip,
so good.
tap, tap. Right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4. Right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4. Slide back, back, up, and dip, 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 tap, tap. Start over.
Talking about those Southern ladies, like the ladies should. Yes, they do. Yes, they
Slide back,
do.
back.
Southern ladies, Southern ladies. You know what, y'all? I had to do this remix for all the folk out there that like the two
And that's all the steps to Southern Lady. Hope you had fun. Come back. There will be a lot of classic instructionals that I will be presenting. Go to Chocolate Platinum, Instructional Series 101.5. Thank you. Have a great day.
Southern ways. I like that in your big baby.